Hi friends, Ashish here from Vedic Academy. So today we are going to see how we can simplify finding the answer for in a multiple choice question. So here in multiple choice questions, we don't need to find the answers which will match exactly. The easier way here is that we want to eliminate the options that we have. So the question that you see on screen, if you see A, C, and D option, they look quite similar. So the easy way here to find to eliminate the options is that we are going to find the sum of these digits, and then we are going to eliminate the not suitable answers. So let's see. For 672, the sum is 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15, which is again double digit number, so I can say the sum is 6. Similarly for triple one, the sum is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. And since we are going to multiply these, we are going to get 18, and the sum of these digits is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So now for any of the options below, if the sum is not 9, we are going to eliminate that answer. Okay, eliminate that option. So in this scenario or this method, the in the sum of the digits method, if the sum is not matching, the answer is for sure wrong. Okay, we I mean that option can be eliminated for sure. In some of the scenarios, if even if the numbers or the digits are match, the answer may not be correct. But yeah, I mean in multiple choice questions this surely helps. So let's see. For 76592, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 9 is 27, plus 2 is 29, which is again 9 plus 2 is 11, which is again 2. So 2, which is 9 and 2 are different, so this cannot be an option. I'll come to this 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 13, 10 plus 3 13, plus 7 20, plus 2 22, and this is again 2 digits, so I can say it is 4, which is again different from 9, so B is also not an answer. I'll come to 74592. So 7 plus 4 is 13. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27, which is again 2 digits. So I'll say 2 plus 7, which is 9. So this might be a possible solution. Let's check the last one. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 plus 9 is 31. 31 plus 2 is 33. It is again double digit, so answer is 6, and it cannot be a solution because sum has to be 9. So here we can say, since only one of the option has the same digits or the same digit sum, therefore C is the answer. So this is the easy way. I hope you understood. Please like and share to our channel so that you can get more interesting videos like this. Thank you.